guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I thought it would be a fun day to drive my Traxxas 4x4 Slash and zip tie the GoPro to it so you can have a driver's point of view. Also, we are going to be using my 2S battery to take it slow, and maybe next weekend we will drive my 3S battery, so let's do it. Hey guys, now that we're out here, we're going to do some test runs with the RcCar, and then we'll do some points of view. Hey guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed my RcCar Traxxas video, and if you want to see more, next weekend we're going to install a speedometer and put the 3S battery in, and if you guys enjoy, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe and turn the bell notification on so you know when I post another video. And thanks for watching.